Hi, I'm Tim, and welcome to this quick crash course that will get you up to speed in Disco. Your Disco URL is your home base. You can log in from any device, anywhere. Everything you upload to Disco is private by default, visible only to you and teammates with account access. Start by uploading files into the playlist creator on the right. Drag and drop, or click to browse your hard drive. Disco accepts multiple types of files, including audio, video, images, documents, zips, and some session files. If you upload high-resolution files like WAV or AIF, Disco automatically transcodes them into MP3s, so every file streams easily and downloads are available in multiple formats. Click any file to play and scrub on the waveform. To edit metadata, hover over the info icon and then select View Full Track Info. Fill out your track details clearly, clean up the title and artist fields, add artwork, and include your contact information in the comments field. Playlists are both your organizational folders and your primary delivery tool. Add, rearrange, and remove tracks in the playlist creator. Then save and apply settings like streaming only and format delivery options. Once saved, Disco generates a shareable URL that anyone can open, no account required. Let's open this playlist to take a look. Recipients can stream files and scrub on the waveform, view documents and images, download individual files in multiple formats, download the whole playlist, or avoid downloading altogether and save everything directly to their own Disco account. Back in Disco in the Browse area, you can find all the playlists you've saved and you can edit them at any time. Rearrange, add or remove tracks, add sections to divide up the playlist. Save and update your settings. Let's change this to streaming only. Once you've saved the playlist, the same share link updates automatically. Notice there are no longer download options, and here's our new section. To take things further, use the Presentation tab to transform your playlist into a polished artist or album page. Perfect for EPKs, one-pages, press releases, composer reels, or any other industry promotion. Save the playlist and open the Presentation tab. Select Artist or Album page. Link to an artist profile, add a hero image, add your bio and social links, and embed a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or a video you have uploaded to Disco. All the assets you need in one link, perfect for making a lasting impression. If you want to share an existing playlist or track, just hover over it, select the Share arrow, and this opens the Share area. You can email the playlist from Disco, assign different URLs to different contacts, or copy the public playlist URL. This is the playlist link created as soon as the playlist is saved for the first time. It's only the people that you share a playlist link with that'll have access to your content. After you share your playlist, open playlist stats from its menu to track who listened, what they streamed, and what they downloaded. Once metadata and tags are added, you can find any file in seconds using the search bar. Filter by BPM, lyrics, descriptive tags, year, or any other metadata field. Customize your column view to show the information you rely on most. Then click any column header to sort your results alphabetically or numerically. If you want to build a playlist, simply drag tracks to the right to pop open the playlist creator. Disco inboxes let you receive files without extra uploading. Copy your inbox link and send it to anyone. They can drag in files or paste a Disco URL, fill out the form and send. Their playlist appears instantly in your inbox, where you can stream, edit metadata, and organize. At the bottom left of the screen, you'll find channels. These are folders for organizing playlists into a familiar folder structure that fits your workflow. Once you've created a channel, you can drag and drop playlists and tracks into it, or select Add to Channel from their menus. You can also share a channel into another Disco account, so they have live updates as you add and remove content. If you want your music to be discoverable, Disco offers an add-on feature called Disco Catalogs that's part of the Discovery suite. You can build a curated, branded search site to share privately with clients, or choose to opt your music into wider discovery for music supervisors across the Disco network. Find your Disco settings in the top left corner, where you can update your password, adjust display options like widening columns, and manage your subscription. Access support anytime using the chat bubble at the bottom right of Disco. You can also browse the Help Centre and dive into the School of Disco courses for deeper learning. And don't forget to download the mobile app from our website so you can access and send your music from anywhere. Thanks for listening, and happy discoing.